On that note, let's check in with Money Desk anchor Melitta Ngalonkulu on the economic week ahead. So, Melitta, the company results season continues this week, and in those figures, there will be clues as to how the economy is doing. Which ones are you watching?
We'll be watching out for Old Mutual's first half financial results on the 31st, Faith. And as you had mentioned earlier, it is quite a busy week. In its trading update, the insurer said it expects a good recovery in sales and earnings across the group, with an improvement in the productivity levels in its SA retail businesses, and that includes the mass foundation cluster and personal finance. However, Old Mutual says mortality claims paid in its life business relating to COVID-19 were driving negative client cash flows, although this is being offset by inflows in the asset management and wealth businesses. It's put another 2 billion rand aside in its COVID-19 provisions at the end of June because of the impact of the third wave of infections. But the insurer said it's also starting to provide cover to expectations of a further potential COVID-19 wave.
Well, seemingly, we've got Old Mutual, which is not the only insurer expecting a surge in its profits.
Another insurer that we'll be watching out for is Discovery, Faith, and it's also expecting a huge surge in its full year profits for its life insurance business. And this is despite an increase in its death claims due to the pandemic. The insurer says the impact of COVID-19 on Discovery Life came to 2.4 billion rand in the past year, and that's compared to 1.1 billion rand in the previous year. Other businesses fared better, with Discovery Health growing its earnings by 5% to 10%. Across the group, new business annual premium income increased by 11%.
And the markets, where are we there?
Well, on Friday, Faith, the JSE All-Share Index was up almost 0.5%, while the rand was stronger at 14 rand 77 cents to the US dollar. And the gains by the rand on the day saw it rise 4.15% against the dollar for the week, which was its best since the December 2020. So the markets were reacting to the US Fed's indication that the central bank could slow its massive asset purchase program by the end of the year. So we expect the same sentiment to actually continue in the upcoming week.
Melitta, thank you so much for that, giving us the market update. For Melitta Ngalonkulu, they're just telling us what we can expect in the week ahead.